Hey guys, welcome to my scrappiness. Hey guys, it's Marissa again. Look what I got you guys, our August Kiwi Club kit. So excited. Before we continue on to this video guys, this video is in collaboration with my fellow Kiwi Lane creative partners. I'm going to link their channels down in the description below. And if you visit their channels and comment in each of their channels, linking it to the August Kiwi Lane Kit Club, then your entry or your comment will be an entry for a free template of your choice. So it's a template set. And so don't forget to comment down in my comment section below too so you can avail of it. And continuing on to our video. Okay guys, moving on. Let's open our kit. Ta-da! Trailblazer. Cute! Alright guys, let's open it up and see what's going on with our Trailblazer. Oh, looks like we're gonna get cowboy boots this time. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? Okay guys, we do have our little corner savers here. So let's put those on the side. And then let's go through our template. OMG, there's several of them. Okay, let's go through this real quick. We have a la carte boot. How cute is that, guys? And then we have the Southwest one. Looks like a cute border, guys. Then we have a la carte native. Then, oh my gosh, look at how many there are. Southwest 10. Oh my goodness, and these are so small. Southwest 2, Southwest 3, Southwest 7. Then we have a Southwest 8. And these are like the chevron. And then we have the Southwest 9. And then we have a Southwest 5, which is like a diamond or a triangle, and Southwest 4. Oh my goodness, guys. A lot of small stuff in here. Okay guys, let's move on to the cards. Let's start with our 3x4s, guys. So I'm going to go through this fast so I'll have time to create the layout. Onto our 4x4s. And through our 4x6s. All right, I am excited. I am so excited for the papers. As you guys know, I'm a paper addict, so papers are my game. Okay, so we'll start with this. I love all these papers, guys. All these colors are awesome. If you're not into Southwest theme, guys, like I don't really have a lot of Southwest themes. You know what I really love about this kit is there's a lot of generic prints, which means, and plus, guys, don't forget all these papers here. They're summer colors, don't you think so? I mean, oh my goodness, great summer colors. Anyway guys, let me think of a layout to create with this and I will get back with you. Hey guys, I'm back a few days later, but I am back. I've seen a Pinterest post on a layout which I thought was really cute, and I'm not sure if it was a Kiwi Lane layout or not, but I'd like to, you know me, the problem with me is I don't save those layouts. I just look at them and I try to remember them because I like to challenge myself by trying to remember the layouts that I've seen, so, or that strikes me, and will follow them. So let's get going. Let me just show you an item that I'm bringing in that's not in the kit. I want to use this sticker here for this particular layout. And this sticker, by the way, came from Hobby Lobby. It's the Paper Studio line. It is $2.99. I think I got it for like 40 or 50 off. I don't remember. But this is it. I'm going to go ahead and put this on the side for now. I printed my picture using my selfie, but it kind of was a little off. So I'm going to have to trim it off here. And then we can start playing. Let me show you real quick the templates that I'm going to use. I am not going to use the templates that actually came with this kit. I am going to use only 2 templates, guys. I'm going to use this accessory template, Groovy 7. And then I also am going to use Eli Avenue 2B. But the one thing I love about Kiwi Lane Club kits is that they're very versatile. They have a couple prints that go with the theme, and everything else is normally generic prints. So we are going to be using generic prints today, and this is a generic the papers that we're going to use. I'm going to take this to here. They're the same print, and that's what's at the back. I'm going to use one of them as the base, and then the other as a this actually I'm going to use the back part of this, and then these are the other papers that I'm going to use off of this kit. So without further ado, let's start playing, guys. I'm very excited about this layout. Let's start playing, and we're going to start by tracing the templates, and then we're gonna cut them, and then we're going to ink them. I'm going to use this sun. You see it, guys? It's so cute. The sun, I call it the sun paper, and we're going to use this Groovy 7 as the sun, and you'll see what I'm talking about here in a few minutes. It's time to cut, guys. You can use this other side for another layout later. I'm going to take this paper and cut it to 4.5. And then this paper to 4 1/4. Oops, made a mistake. There you go. And then we're still going to trim this. I'm just going to figure out how I want to lay this out. So I'm going to look at cutting this down by 2.5. So we're going to put it this way. And then we're going to put our picture right there. And then we're going to get and put our sun right there. Actually, I want this under the... and then we're going to put this down here. Easy layout, guys. Easy, very easy layout. There you go. That's how I want to see it. And then we're gonna put Mexico down here. All right, so very easy layout, guys. So let me go ahead and start inking this before we commit them on the page. Okay, so we're done inking, and I'm just going to lay this on and see how I'm going to want to have it. Trying to keep this in the middle. And then of course the plan was to put this behind that yellow strip. So let me go ahead and commit our yellow mat. And then what I'm going to do is going to put this at the back here. I'm going to go ahead and have a strip here of the adhesive and position this element back here on the strip. There you go. So now I can go ahead and commit this. There you go, and then I'm going to slip this underneath this too. I know I'm lifting again, but you know what, guys? I didn't think ahead. There you go. And so because I lifted that, I'm gonna have my wet glue handy. I'm gonna use the one that I'm trying to finish this one, so I'm gonna put that down there. In the meantime, let me go ahead and put this. Okay, since I lifted this, I'm gonna have to put some regular glue here because they're pretty much committed at this point. Right, and we're going to put our Ensenada picture down here. Right there, almost the center of the sun. There you go. And then we're going to get this Mexico sticker. And here's our layout, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me go through the process. A very simple layout for a very simple scrapper. Anyway, you guys, I hope you enjoyed watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, guys, please subscribe. We're trying to grow our My Scrappiness family. If you like this layout in all its simplicity, please give me a thumbs up. And that's it for now, guys. I will catch you guys later. Be safe out there. Bye.